When you point at a rainbow, you aren't pointing at a physical object. There is no arch of color hovering over the hills, and there is no location you can drive to and stand underneath. Because of how light travels, if you are standing shoulder to shoulder with a friend, you are looking at two completely different rainbows. Your eyes are intercepting an entirely separate set of light rays. To see how this optical trick actually works, we have to shrink our perspective down to the scale of a single suspended raindrop. A rainbow is an entirely observer-centric phenomenon. It's a customized optical illusion that exists nowhere else in the universe, except along your exact line of sight. When white sunlight strikes a water droplet, the medium change slows and bends it, refraction. A fraction reflects off the back wall. Exiting, it refracts again and separates. White light has many wavelengths. Shorter blue ones bend sharper than longer red ones. Every single falling raindrop is functioning as a microscopic prism, taking chaotic white sunlight and organizing it into a highly structured color spectrum. Because of the droplet's spherical shape, this returning light concentrates and reaches its maximum intensity at a very specific turning point, an angle of exactly 42 degrees. Now multiply that single drop by millions. When you have a rainstorm in front of you and the sun behind you, the raindrops reflecting light at that exact 42-degree angle collectively form a massive three-dimensional cone in the sky. The absolute tip and anchor point of this vast geometric shape is your eye. Because you are looking at the base of a cone, the true shape of a rainbow is a complete circle. We usually only see an arch because the ground gets in the way and obstructs the bottom half of the droplets. But if we change our vantage point, the true shape emerges. This aerial photograph shows a complete 360-degree rainbow arc. When you are high enough above the ground, the entire base of the cone becomes visible. Sometimes, the light bouncing around inside those droplets reflects a second time before exiting. This creates a double rainbow. This image captures the physical evidence of that double reflection. Because of the extra bounce, the light emerges at a wider angle of about 50 degrees, creating a fainter secondary arc outside the first one. And if you look closely, the color sequence is reversed. Red is on the bottom and violet is on the top. That extra bounce also leaves a distinct gap between the two bows, where no light is scattered toward the observer. We call this unlit patch of sky Alexander's band. The iconic colorful arch we are so familiar with is really just a visible cross-section of a massive geometric structure, anchored entirely by where you happen to be standing. This geometry holds true, but changing the physical variables alters the visual result. If you shrink the water droplets from heavy rain down to microscopic fog, the light waves begin to overlap and interfere with each other. The result is a fog bow. As seen in this photograph, the distinct bands of color smear together, creating a broad, ghostly white arch. Changing the liquid itself alters the math even further. A fluid with a different refractive index bends light at different angles. On Saturn's moon Titan, the atmosphere is filled with clouds of liquid methane, which project a rainbow with a much wider radius of 49 degrees. This is a view of Titan's hazy atmosphere. While humans can't see them with the naked eye, the rules of optics dictate that methane rainbows are forming in those alien clouds. The geometric laws of light are universal. The scale and the medium dictate how the final product looks, but the underlying mechanics never change. For this optical phenomenon to happen, three absolute requirements must be met: a bright light source behind you, a vast field of spherical prisms in front of you, and a very specific vantage point to intercept the returning light. The universe provides the light, and the weather provides the prisms, but the geometry is incomplete without an observer. The rainbow relies absolutely on your exact physical presence to exist.